Cane should be up in there too. They got Chuck E. Cheese, old school Chuck E. Cheese. What about no old school Chuck E. Cheese?
Drive through for what? Drive through. What is that? Is that that's in and out? Or is that
I think it's on the other side. See way back there? Or is that, no, that's Chick-fil-A back there. Cane's right here.
I know, but this is in and out.
Damn.
We're on the other side.
We sure do. Watch this car coming up the drive-through high.
It's not that one.
Everybody will heading out today.
Is it this
Your
one?
destination is on the right.
Cane's.
You're not entering. Which one is it?
Right there, you gotta enter where,
Out here?
I guess,
Where
one
is
of
the next
them.
one?